Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make healthy nutrition packed soyabeans powder for both babies and adults. Soybean contains well-balanced essential amino acids. It is a very high plant-based protein that is equivalently close to some of the proteins from animal sources like dairy foods and meat. As we progress in this video, I'll be sharing the overwhelming health benefits of soybeans to both adults and babies. This is the soybeans I got from a local store in the market. The first step is to select out the dirt and stone. You have to do this very carefully because most of those grains come with so much dirt and stones and you don't want to consume them. After that, you go ahead to wash your soybeans properly. Soybean, aside offering high quality protein, has high fiber content and a very rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, hence making it an essential meal for a child's growth and development. While washing your soya beans, place a pot of clean water on fire and allow to boil. Once your water is boiled, pour in your soya beans and stir properly. Then leave your soya beans soaked in this hot water for 8 to 12 hours. It's either you use this method or you boil your soya beans directly after washing for 45 minutes. This process is very important because soya bean contains a factor which inhibits the action of the digestive enzyme trypsin, and that could only be destroyed by heat or long-term soaking. This is how the soybeans will look after the soaking process because fermentation have taken over. Go ahead to pour out the water and then wash your soybeans just the way we wash our moi moi to remove the chaff. Do you know that aside soya beans helping in a general child's growth and development, soya bean helps to prevent neural tube defects in infants. Kids from 6 months are safe to consume soya bean. So if your child is not up to 6 months, he or she does not have any business with soya bean. Soya bean is safe for kids from 6 months and then till even 200 years of age. After washing and removing the chaff from your soya beans, you go ahead to sun dry or oven dry your soya beans. I am going to be oven drying my soya beans because currently in Nigeria we don't have enough sunlight since we are in rainy season. Either you are using the oven drying method or sun drying method, please make sure to dry your soya beans properly and stir at intervals. This is because if your soya beans is not properly dry, it's not going to last a longer time. If you are using the sun drying method, you go ahead to roast your soya beans after sun drying. This helps to bring out the soya beans flavor that everyone craves for. In this video, I didn't bother roasting my soya beans because I am oven dried properly. Then you go ahead to blow out the excess chaff in your soya beans. Keep your soya beans aside. Let's prepare for other ingredients we'll be adding to our soya beans. In order to further fortify our soya beans, we go ahead to add dates, unripe plantain, groundnut and tiger nut. Based on choice, you may want to increase or decrease the quantity of any of those items. I personally don't like adding so much unripe plantain to my soya beans, especially if it will be consumed by a child. Then you go ahead to remove the seed of the date. Make sure your date is properly dried, and if your date is not properly dried, oven dry it further to make it dry very well. Honestly, the importance of soybean can never be overemphasized. Soybean in adults helps in body metabolism. Soybean helps to prevent osteoporosis. Soybean decreases risk of insomnia. Soybean aids to prevent heart attacks and strokes. Soybean aids to lower cholesterol level. Soybean prevents onset of colorectal and colon cancer. And soybean equally helps alleviate menopause symptoms a lot. Soybean has so many advantages and benefits to our health. After removing your dead seed, you go ahead to oven dry your unripe plantain or you roast your unripe plantain. I avoid buying already dried unripe plantain in the market because I want to ascertain for the hygiene. Then I'm going to be tying all of these items in different nylons and be taking to the milling machine to grind. If you have a heavy duty blender, you can grind them at home, and yeah, your soya bean powder is ready. It's very simple. Yay! Our soya beans powder is ready. So I love my soya beans powder to be this brown. The color of your soya beans powder depends on how long you oven dried your soya beans or how long you roast your soya beans after sun drying. So I love my soya beans to be well oven dried because it can last for as long as 12 months, still retaining its original taste. Yeah, allow your soya beans to get cool before you transfer into an airtight container, bottle or jar of choice. Hope you enjoyed watching till this point. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That's the only way to encourage me to put out more videos. If you want to sell your soya beans powder, all you need to do is to just put a label. You can sell to pharmaceutical stores, hospital canteens, individuals, chemist stores, and different people. See you in my next upload. Bye.